So friends, you want to become rich from the stock market. Actually, everyone wants to become rich from the stock market. That is the main reason that people are attracted to the stock market. I receive this query from many traders, many investors that sir, how we can become rich from the stock market. So I thought that I'll make a video on this particular subject and I'll show you can make money from the stock market, you can become filthy rich, and I'll show you the exact formula by which you can turn rupees 50,000 to rupees 1.5 crore in around 20 years, and that is possible without taking much risk. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. Now friends, I'll show you how you can find good stocks from the stock market and how you can become rich from the stock market and how stock market has produced rich people in the past. But before that, let us play a small game. Just comment below this video with the name of the stocks that you want to invest in and let me check whether these stocks are worth investing in or not. So do not forget to send a comment below this video with the name of the stock that you want to invest. So friends, what is the formula of becoming rich from the stock market? Theoretically, the formula is very simple. You need to identify few good companies, you need to buy their stocks, and you need to hold their stocks in your portfolio. Now, over a time period, these stocks will actually grow in price, they will grow in value, and your portfolio value will also grow with time. Stock market is not a get rich quick type of system. So, this is just like a planting a tree. You need to plant a tree, give some water, give water regularly, and you need to wait patiently. Same in stock market, you need to identify good companies, you need to invest in them, and you need to wait patiently for a time period. And you will see over the time period, the good companies will grow in value and your portfolio will also grow in value. Now, how to identify these good companies? In my previous videos, I have already shown you how you can identify good companies and you can hold those stocks in your portfolio and you can make a winning portfolio. So if you have not seen that video, I will suggest you to first watch that video and there you will find how you can identify good stocks. In this video, I am going to show you some examples of these good stocks and how they have performed over the time. And if you can follow this kind of theory, if you can find this kind of stocks in the future, you can retire quite rich from the stock market. So if you are in job or you are doing business, side by side, start investing in the stock market early, and whenever you will be retiring, you will be retiring rich. So let me show you the examples of few companies. Those have actually made big money for their investors. Now friends, see, this is the Infosys stock. This is the monthly chart of Infosys, and you have seen that Infosys was quoting at around 1 rupee at 1996 and today it is quoting at 773. So it has increased by 773 times over the past 24 years. So this is a monthly chart and I am having this monthly chart since 1996. You can see the journey of the stock. The stock has appreciated a lot over the time period. The next stock is HDFC Limited. You can see once again at 1996 the stock was quoting around 25 rupees and today it is quoting at 2414. You can see the journey of the stock. It has appreciated a lot over the time period. The next stock is HDFC Bank. You can once again see HDFC Bank was quoting around 5 rupees in 1996 and today it is quoting at 1240. So you can see the journey of the stock. It has appreciated a lot over the last 24 years. Let us come to the next stock. It is Hindustan Unilever. You can see way back in 1996, the stock was quoting around 55 to 60 level. So from there, it is now quoting at 2159. So you can see the stock has appreciated a lot and it has made good amount of money for the shareholders. And let us check the last stock, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Once again in 1996, this stock was quoting around 5 rupees and today it is quoting at 1669. So once again you can see the journey of the Kotak Mahindra Bank. It has appreciated a lot. Now my dear friends, what is common in these stocks? You can see this green line is 100 monthly moving average. So this is 100 months moving average. And you can see this Kotak Mahindra Bank, once it has crossed above the 100 months moving average, it has never came back below the 100 months moving average. Similarly, in Hindi Unilever, you can see once it has crossed above the 100 months moving average, it has never came below the 100 months moving average. Same for HDFC Bank, you can see it has never came back below the 100 months moving average. It has always traded above the 100 months moving average. Same for HDFC, it has never traded below 100 months moving average. And the last stock, that is Infosys. Once again you can see this is magic, my dear friends. Infosys has never traded below the 100 months moving average. So the stocks, those are trading above the 100 months moving average, are considered to be highly bullish and are for long-term investment. These stocks have high potential for growth in the long term. So friends, in my last video, I have already shown you how you can identify fundamentally good stocks. Now, if you can check these fundamentally good stocks with these monthly charts, and if you can find they are trading above the 100 months moving average, you can surely buy those stocks. Once these fundamentally good stocks crosses the 100 months moving average, they never come below the 100 months moving average and they continues to trade over the 100 months moving average till their fundamental is intact. So you need to time check the fundamentals of these stocks and you need to time check the monthly charts of these stocks. Now let me show you how a portfolio consisting of these 5 stocks has done. The first stock is Infi. In Infi, suppose someone has invested rupees 10,000. The investment price was RE1 because at that time Infi was trading at 1 rupee and the current price is 773 rupees. So it has appreciated by 773 times. So 10,000 rupees invested, the current value is 77 lakhs 30,000. Suppose in the case of HDFC, the invested value is 10,000. The investment price that time the stock was quoting at 20. The current price is 2414. So the stock has appreciated by roughly 120 times. And 10,000 rupees invested value, the current value is 12 lakh 7,000. Suppose in HDFC Bank. In HDFC Bank, someone has invested 10,000 rupees. The investment price that time was 3 rupees. The current price is 1240. So the appreciation is 413 times. So 10,000 rupees invested value and the current value is 41 lakh 33,000. Hindi Unilever. Investment value is 10,000. The invested price is 55 rupees and the current price is 2159. So you can understand the stock has appreciated by almost 40 times. So 10,000 invested in Hindi Unilever, the current price is around 3,92,000. And the last stock is Kotak Bank. If someone has invested 10,000 rupees at the investment price of 11 rupees, the current price is 1669. So the stock has appreciated by 151 times. So the invested value of 10,000 has now become 15 lakh 17,000. So that is huge, my dear friends. 50,000 invested in these 5 stocks and they have yielded actually 1 crore 49 lakhs 80,000. That is almost 1.5 crores. Now these stock market returns can beat any kind of investments. Suppose in these 24 years, if you have invested these 50,000 rupees in any other kind of investments, this kind of return was impossible. This is the power of stock market investing. These kind of returns are possible if you can find good stocks and invest in them. So friends, this is the blog post that we have published in our website just now, and here we have shown you how you can actually build a super portfolio with strong stocks. And we have shown you step by step how you can actually find the good stocks the same way that we find our stocks. You can find good stocks, you can invest in them, and you can actually make these kind of gigantic returns from the stock market. So friends, I'll give you the link of the blog post in the video description. So from there you can find out my exact techniques of finding stocks for these kind of returns. So friends, I have shown you how you can make money from the stock market and how you can become rich from the stock market. So if you have any queries regarding this subject, or if you want to know our stock market techniques, our stock picking techniques in details, you can comment below this video or you can send me a message in my WhatsApp number. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.